97 397 premium football jersey. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 left. Okay, making sure numbers are right. All right, 5 times. Let's go ahead and see what jersey we're doing. 5 times for the 5 times. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and 31. All right, we're doing 31 here. 31, 31. All right, let me grab it. I got 25 over here. 31. Always, whenever I do the series, there's always a humongous stack in here, and it's down to just 3. I still got a stack. We still have 16 full-size helmets, though. Those are still stacked up over here. Those are still stacked up. Full-size helmet. Got $50 a division, guys. It's a lot of value in the full-size helmets and jerseys. Brad 5, Eric 4, Flippin 1, Chris 5, Eric 1, J-Dub 1, Eric 1, Jeresy 2, Mike 1, Craig 2, Manny 2, Warren 1, Chester 2, Brad 1, and Lance with 3. Alright guys, good luck to you 5 times. Here we go. Alright, once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Alright, J-Dub, you're on top. Eric, you're on the bottom there. 5 times. Alright, group you guys together. Alright, Brad, Bengals, Cowboys, Colts, Jets, Niners. Brad C, Brad G, Patriots, Chester, Eagles, Titans. Chris, Ravens, Browns, Texans, Raiders, Bucks. Craig, Falcons, Vikings. J-Dub, Cardinals. Eric, Bills, Broncos, Packers, Chiefs, Chargers, Skins. Flippin' Steelers, Jeresy, Dolphins, Saints. Lance, Bears, Seahawks. Panthers, Bears, Seahawks. Manny, Lions, Rams. Mike, Giants, and Warren with the Jags. With the Jags. Any trades, guys? Steelers up for trade. Bills and Broncos up. Jags up. And Skins. What's up, Susan? Packers for Vikings. Alright guys, another minute or so. So you got Bills, Broncos, Packers, Chiefs, Chargers, and then Craig, you have Falcons and Vikings. Donner Siggs has 11 left. Yeah, that is kind of rough. Vikings. Alright guys, any trades? Any trades? Or we just keeping it how it is? I bet. Yeah, Jermaine, I will, man. Once I do this jersey. All right. Philly for Jags is a deal. Okay, Jacksonville Warren. Philly. Okay, it's Chester. Okay. Alright, guys, we'll just let it go. Let it roll, let it roll, let it roll. Let me find my knife. There it is. Alright, guys, good luck. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Nice little P-Sports Cards bag here. Oh, you guys are going to trade every night, 9 p.m. You like that? You like that? Who had the Minnesota Vikings? Craig. Man. What a no trade. Craig tried to give him away. KOO988. It is Kirk Cousins. Nike limited jersey. Silver ink. Kirk Cousins. Official Nike jersey here. Limited. Extra large. Alright. Kirk Cousins. Silver ink. That's about as legit as it gets. Kirk Cousins, Nike jersey. Sorry, with how the light hits, it's kind of hard to see. Kirk Cousins. Fake news. That's your guy right there. Everybody wants the Kirk Cousins jersey. There's one. Next series, guys. Next series is super lit as well. Alright, guys. Alright, Kirk Cousins. Going to Craig, right? Yep. There you go, Craig. You got yourself a Minnesota Vikings. Yeah, Tanner. Alright, Craig, there you go, man. Nice Kirk Cousins. Alright, guys, who's getting a free spot into the TriStar Mini Helmet giveaway? Alright, once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and Lance. Lance. That jersey's probably big money right now. Probably $350. Probably $350. $397. Premium football jersey. Alright, there you go. $397. We got a couple left. 3 left. Nothing but fire. Premium jerseys. Nothing but fire. Alright, guys, Don Resigs, 11 left. Next one. Alright, guys, any comments, questions, or concerns? A nice Kirk Cousins Nike jersey. Appreciate it every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Please subscribe. Never miss a live break. Thank you.